Hey guys, Justin Tech here, and this is the ET2 Friends of Hue Smart Lighting Pendant. Yeah, you heard that right, Friends of Hue. That means you can connect this ring of light to your Philips Hue setup at home and have full control over the color and brightness and create the perfect ambiance. This light is part of an entire line of Friends of Hue fixtures from ET2, and I was lucky enough to get one sent to me, so thank you ET2 for sponsoring this video. Now, I'm sure many of you are a little upset because this ET2 isn't the continuation of Steven Spielberg's Extraterrestrial, but I'm gonna make it up for you because this light is so cool, so here it goes. The ET2 pendant is a beautiful and sleek fixture. Its white dual matte ring is made of aluminum and steel and is of course integrated with a powerful Philips Hue light strip. This light isn't small. When it first arrived, I was taken aback by how big it was.
Oh my God, it's huge. It's literally huge. This is what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna hang that up and it's gonna look awesome.
The pendant is 28.5 inches in diameter and 4 inches tall. It can dangle from as high as 124 inches. Look at how long the wires are. I could see this light being used in super lofty spaces, like over a dining room table or even ballrooms, if people even go to those anymore. And this light shines. It can present up to 16 million different colors and will give you up to 2,800 lumens of light. Installation was surprisingly easy. I recommend if you're a professional or you know what you're doing, that's cool. If not, hire an electrician. This is also a two-person job, and I was very lucky enough to have my friend Toby to help me out. The installation only took about 40 minutes. The light has a really impressive mechanic that allows you to pull through the wiring and adjust the length by pressing and holding down on the openings. So after we hung it up, it was really easy to even out the wires one by one. To connect this to your setup, you'll need a Philips Hue bridge. It's basically the hub that lets you control all of your Philips Hue lights. When connecting it to your bridge, the fixture acts exactly the same as any Philips Hue bulb. So here's the thing, the fixture was originally called the iCorona. I know that they're changing that name, and I don't really know why. The marketing person told me that, so I can't really speak to that, but I do know that that's what you're gonna be looking for as of now. I decided to call mine UFO because it looks like a freaking UFO. And you know what? ET probably lives on it.
Here is the lovely UFO. It is so big and so beautiful. Sometimes I just like going in it and you could, you know, blind yourself, whatever. And then of course, with the Philips Hue app, I have full control over it. And look at how vivid the colors are. They're really, really strong.
You can also sync the ET2 fixture with content on your TV using the Philips Hue Sync box. Gaming has never felt more immersive with this ring of light reacting to every move I make in my games. You can also fully immerse yourself in TV shows and movies.
And of course you can use any voice assistant to control this thing. Set UFO to blue. Ah, lovely.
The ET2 Friends of Hue fixture is a sleek, modern, and gorgeous fixture with great attention to detail when it comes to design and installation. It seamlessly meshes into your Philips Hue ecosystem and enhances the ambience of any scene. This fixture looks great whether you're using it for a nightlight, a candlelit dinner, movies, or gaming. Not to mention, it gives off an impressive amount of brightness and extremely vivid colors. All this beauty doesn't come cheap. The light retails for $978.
Why?
Because it's a well-made designer light with mechanics that make installation much easier and give you the ability to alter the length at any time. So there you guys have it. That is the ET2 pendant fixture, formerly known as the iCorona, but we're not talking about that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have a lot more smart home coming your way. I have an entire series, the Ultimate Smart Home series, coming in just a few weeks. So stay tuned for that. How do you do that? Subscribe right down there and click the bell for alerts. I'm gonna tell you guys how to set up your smart home, all the accessories you need, how to get everything to talk to each other. It's gonna be a load of information and I'm so excited to show you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, why don't you give it a good old like? I'm Justin, and I'll tech you later. Now let me show you what my UFO can do. I noticed it rhymed on like the third take and I had to do that, and I'm sorry.